GUAM Anti-Cellulite Seaweed Mud Infrared Body Wrap, Fast Action Hot Mud Body Mask with Tourmaline FIR. This product is currently priced $67.99. Here we invite you to follow the review from Phi Reviewer channel. Botanical Cellulite Treatment. GUAM seaweed algae is harvested from the pure, uncontaminated ocean to keep the most valuable anti-cellulite properties of this incredible plant. This mineral-rich seaweed wrap restores, rejuvenates, and conditions cellulite to provide fast cellulite reduction. It does not contain silicon, lanolin, paraffin, making it one of the top anti-cellulite products for easy and effortless cellulite treatment at home. Fast cellulite removal. This intense 15-minute body mud wrap packs all the potent ingredients to get rid of cellulite fast. Offering a natural solution for cellulite on legs, this heating formula works 3x quicker than the original GUAM anti-cellulite mud due to double seaweed extract. GUAM leg cellulite remover works on all lower body including thighs and buttocks, making it an easy thigh wrap for cellulite to use at home. Infrared Body Wrap, Lipo Wrap. The secret behind this professional wrap is black tourmaline, insulated with ventilated clay. This finely micronized mineral captures body heat and reflects it back as far infrared rays, reducing cellulite by shrinking stubborn deposits under the skin, working in the subcutaneous level of the skin. Skin firming. While seaweed works as a cellulite reducer, a power cocktail of marine clays, botanical extracts and essential oils with remineralizing and dermoprotective properties provide skin firming and tightening on your lower body. GUAM skin tightening wraps help to keep skin even and toned, boosting its elasticity. GUAM Cosmetics. GUAM cellulite treatments are well known in Europe for their clinically proven seaweed formula, exceptional quality, ingredient safety, and efficiency. With over 35 years of expertise in body sculpting, GUAM products originated in Italy and perfected its premium cellulite solution with constant research and studies. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your personal opinion right below this video.